From the outside in, there are a number of things that are very, very good for keeping skin beautiful. My all-time favorite is called tamanu oil. If you want to prevent the aging of your skin, you can work inside out and outside in. Starting with the inside, eat as many nutrient-rich foods as you can. I don't mean overeat, but make sure that what you eat is highly nutritious. Leafy green vegetables contain more nutrients than any other foods in the world. The super berries, all the various purple berries, blueberries, elderberries, black currants, acai, etc. These all help to keep your body in good shape and keep your skin looking good. We know that drinking green tea helps with healthy skin. From the outside in, there are a number of things that are very, very good for keeping skin beautiful. My all-time favorite is called tamanu oil. This comes from the Pacific Islands. It's made into different cosmetics. You can also buy tamanu oil straight. Putting tamanu oil on your skin, especially on your face at night, helps to reduce the appearance of fine wrinkles, helps to keep your skin beautiful and just sort of shiny looking. Any preparation that contains an extract of the herb chamomile will help. Chamomile contains a substance called alpha-bisabolol that is very good for reducing the appearance of fine wrinkles. Putting aloe vera gel on your skin will also help it to look healthy and shiny. And another tip, you know what a loofah sponge is? It's kind of a porous sponge that's made from a vegetable that you can grow in your garden. If you shower with a loofah and you rub it all over your skin, you'll exfoliate, you'll cause your body to produce new healthy skin. That'll also help you to look good. So you have a number of strategies from the inside out and from the outside in.